Hey, what's up, Steeler holders? So what's going on? Today video is going very special and very informative. For Steeler holder, this is one big reason to every cryptocurrencies as goes down. If you can see here, Filecoin absolutely goes down, but some cryptocurrencies has gone up like a rocket. This time, absolutely Steeler as also goes up like a rocket. So the live price prediction today is very important for all holder of Steeler. So let's get started this brand video. But before I get started this brand video, I request you, my brother, please subscribe this channel. If you are new, please click the subscribe and press the bell icon for videos notification. Hope you are subscribed this channel. Thanks you so much for subscribing. Okay guys, so first of all, we can see here the last 24-hour result is absolutely mind-blowing. Absolutely good result. You can see the chart is take a good jump. You can see this time they take a good jump. Absolutely mind-blowing result for a Steeler holder, but they take again dump. They take again dump and they take a small jump again. Sometimes they take a jump, sometimes they take a, if you can see here, they take a jump, they take a dump. This time absolutely not bad. If you see the all crypto result, all cryptocurrencies as goes down. And I think the latest let's check out the latest chart. The latest chart is also in negative. You can see here, absolutely remember this very bad. This is not a bad situation. Because if all cryptocurrencies goes down, so absolutely Steeler also goes down. But at this situation, Steeler is goes down literally very small. You absolutely minus 1.25 is not a big change, big dump. Okay, so I hope in upcoming days they can easily starting moving like a rocket or going up like a rocket. So let's check out the last 3 days result and then we decide to this is selling time, buying time for all holders. This is very important because I hope my expectation is good from that. They can cross $1 just in mid of this month, just in mid of this month and the start of this second week. I hope this month they easily start moving up. So let's check out the last changes. Absolutely plus 27.27% going up like a rocket. You can see here the changes as an opposite. Absolutely the chart is moving off like a rocket and I hope they can cross it easily. So my opinion is that if you have any plan to buy, then absolutely these days are good to you buy it and hold it and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a good price. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Hope you subscribe it. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Allah Hafiz. See you next time.